Hi guys, here are the tastiest and easiest ribs you'll ever make. When you can't grill, these oven ribs are perfect. First, we'll make the seasoning. To a small bowl, add salt, ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, dried thyme, sweet paprika, and smoked paprika. Those of you that like a little more heat can add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. The last time I made these ribs, I added cayenne and this time I didn't. My family liked this better, so I'm leaving the cayenne out. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Here are the ribs. You can use any kind you like. These are St. Louis style spare ribs. The reason these cost more is because they're trimmed to have this neat rectangular shape. You can buy these or save some money and buy the standard spare ribs and trim them yourself. There are lots of videos on YouTube that show you how to trim ribs. Get yourself a large baking dish. Don't use a sheet tray because it's too shallow. There will be liquid in the dish after cooking. I'll cut the end off the rib so it fits in the dish. Season both sides. It looks like a lot of seasoning, but ribs need it. Pat it on everywhere. I just cut that end piece into two so it fits better in the dish. Now it's ready to go. Cover the dish completely with foil. Cook it in the heated oven for 1 hour and 30 minutes. There's no need to open the oven and check on it. It needs to cook for the full 90 minutes, so in the meantime, you can make sides like salad, coleslaw, or corn. Cornbread is a great side because the oven's already on. After 90 minutes, take the ribs out of the oven and remove the foil. See all the juices. Now the ribs are perfectly cooked. They're ready to eat just like this, or coat them with your favorite barbecue sauce. Use store-bought or make your own. I'll leave a recipe for my barbecue sauce in the description below. Put the ribs back in the oven under the broiler for a few minutes so the sauce caramelizes. Don't put it directly under the broiler. A few inches away is best. You don't want the sauce to burn. If you don't have a broil setting in your oven, use 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. Pull them out when they look like this. Cool for a few minutes and cut them up. As I was eating the ribs, I realized I didn't show you what they look like. Thankfully, there were 2 left. See how juicy they are. The meat pulls off the bone nicely. I don't like them falling off the bone completely. These are the perfect texture. You saw how easy these ribs are to make. Season them, put them in the oven, and that's it. They will come out great every time, so they're worth making. If you want to get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.